This is a Century Communities Plan, Travis. This is a little over 1,800 square feet. The yard is really big. For a one-story, that's nice. All right, let's go inside and take a look. There's an alarm. Okay. So we got bedroom here. Bathroom, this is granite. Elongated toilet and a tub shower combination with tile. And inside here, a linen closet. Here's bedroom 2. It's a 2-car garage, tankless water heater, electrical panel, sprinkler system, garage door opener, all right there. Got a coat closet. Get you a little hall tree or something right there for the backpacks and the shoes. Here's bedroom 3, or this could be used as a study. That's what this is, a study. It's a study because there's no closet. But if you got a wardrobe and you just placed it there, you have another bedroom. Big kitchen. And this will come with all the appliances. Refrigerator goes there. Range, microwave. Dishwasher will go over here. But it's got a nice pantry. That's cool with the bump up. Eating area right over here, living room over here. Across from the kitchen is the utility room. Your washing machine and dryer will go there. This is the primary. And in here we got dual sink. We got a tub. Toilet has a door. Shower. And a master closet. Big covered patio. And a really large yard for one story. I mean, this is pretty damn big. Wow. And there you have it, a Century Communities Plan, Travis. you got any questions about it, let me know.